get a stick it in. I'm gonna stick it in this one. What happened? What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Why doesn't someone wake me up? Sheila! Where's everybody? Breakfast? No breakfast. Nope. Now what am I supposed to do? What's this? A note? Sarah, went to work early. Make sure Missy goes out. Don't trash the house too bad. Be home at 4. Sheila. P.S. Don't eat the pudding. There's pudding? Where's the pudding? Where is it? Where's the pudding? Jackpot. Yeah. Pudding snacks. I forgot what's food. Let's go see what's on. Go, Diego, go! Hola. You're Diego, I'm Sarah.
Me too. And today
Sorry.
there's a Carnaval parade. Carnaval! Lots of places have Carnaval parades with floats.
I don't know what you're talking about. A gay parade?
But you can't have Carnaval without music and goodies. Without the music and goodies, there can't be a Carnaval parade.
No!
Diego, Linda the llama must be in trouble. You've got to rescue her, Diego. Don't worry, amigos. I'll find Linda. I need your help finding Linda the llama. Come on. Our special camera, click it.
Click!
Take a pic. Say it.
Click!
Take a pic.
Of what?
So click la cámara. I can take a pic. I can see and hear the animal in trouble. Swimming through the forest and out to the deep. Find the animal just all on me. Say it.
Click!
Take a pic.
Of what?
Hi, I'm Click the camera. We need to
I'm
find
Sarah.
Linda the llama, or there won't be a carnival parade. Llamas sound like this. Let's zoom through the forest and listen for the animal that goes.
That one!
Does this sound like a llama?
Yes!
No, that's a scarlet macaque.
So? It's that one!
Does this sound like a llama?
Yes!
No, that's a sloth. Does this sound like a llama?
No.
Yes, that's it. To take a picture of the llama, say it.
Why do I want to take a picture of the llama?
Got it. Now, you tell Diego you found the llama. What did you find?
I found the llama!
The llama?
Yeah!
You found Linda the llama.
I know!
We've got to see why she's in trouble. We can do that if Click zooms out. Say, zoom!
Zoom! Time to get the bath ready for Missy. Alright. A little warm water. Well, that's one way to do it. Well, wet. Hector, I'll fucking kill him. This. Change. The world, my dog. They're all conspiring against me, but I'll teach them. I'll teach them good. Lock and load, Keo. Missy, it's time for your bath. Missy, it's time for your bath. Missy, come here! Come here! Come here! Missy, 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 Missy! Oh, don't go out of the bed! Oh, you're a cheater! You're such a cheater! Come here! Missy! Come here! I will squirt you under the bed. Oop. Squirt! Missy! Missy, come back! Missy! 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 Missy, please! Missy, I love you! Missy! Missy! Missy, don't run away from Mommy! Mommy loves you! Go play pool, Missy! Go play pool! Missy! Missy! Play pool! Play pool! Aww, you're no fun. I'm gonna play pool. Come on, Missy! Come on, Missy! Missy! Play pool! Play some pool! You don't... You're no fun! Oh, you're no fun! You're no fun! Oh, my little ball of fluff. You're my little ball of fluff. I love my ball of fluff. Okay, you want to get down? Fine. Come here. I'll let you down. Missy, what are you doing with that bomb? I know you're mad at me, but you don't have to resort to suicide. What are you staring at? Keo? What did he ever do to you? No! Don't kill my cat! Don't kill him! No! Keo! Speak to me.
Alright, the moral of the story is 1, remakes suck. And 2, families. You don't gotta like them, but you gotta love them. And if it wasn't for Missy, I probably would have gone insane. So, that's about it. I'm gonna get out of your hair. Bye!